some things from Amazon. Just ordered this week. I'm just gonna show you and we'll talk about it. We're gonna start with handbags. I have this beautiful tote. Comes with, before my dog eats it, it comes with this little pouch. It's vegan leather. That's what the pouch looks like. Just has a brown lining, little pocket. Really soft. Loved the Bottega Jodi. Obviously not getting that, but I've been seeing the Anthropologie dupe, and that's like $150. This one, $50. I think it was like $51, $52, but it's so cute. I think this is perfect for fall. Oh my God, I'm so excited for this bag. Look at it. I can't wait to wear it. I think I'm gonna wear it Saturday for apple picking, but it's so soft. I love the braiding. It is really good quality and I'm obsessed. Bag number one. Number two is another vegan leather bag. Like, it's just really soft. It's cute little 2 zipper details on it. This bag was $31. They have it in a bunch of colors. I'm also thinking about getting it in like a brown color. I think this is so cute. So it comes with a little pocket on the inside. It also has a zip pocket and it is really deep. You can adjust the straps, both of them. So tighten this up, kind of make it just like a little handbag. But I think I'm pretty much just gonna carry it on the shoulder into the other pieces. Okay, so this is the next piece. This is one of the Skims dupes I got on Amazon. I have a full review of me comparing it to actual Skims dresses. So if you guys would like to see that, make sure you follow me so you can see that next, because I'm gonna post that after this. But yeah, I like it. My only major issue is it's not as long as the Skims, so that's not really an issue. I just prefer how long the Skims dress is. But for the price, I think it's worth it. Again, I'll have a full review posted later, so make sure you follow for that. But so far, I love it. Worth the buy. So let's get into the star of the show. Yeah, this is the star of the show. First, let's talk about its companion. I have on this bolero. I was looking for a bolero that I felt like would actually fit my arms. I was looking at were kind of like the stretchy material, and it just kind of felt like they weren't really going to give the way that I needed them to. So if you still want to see like the basic athleisure boleros and like plus size arms, let me know. I'll still probably try them out. But this one is just kind of like a sweater material, and I think it's perfect. I probably wouldn't work out in this, but I would wear it over like my workout stuff to the gym. Do Pilates in it. So let me know if you guys want to see me try the actual workout ones. I've been dying for a full-size jumpsuit to work out in, and baby, I want to live in this thing now. Okay, so this was, I think, $31. All the other ones I was seeing for like plus sizes were $60, $70, $80. This one was $30. I think it was like $31, $32. And it has the built-in workout bra. It also has cups, but there's holes on the side so you can remove them if you need to. They have adjustable straps. Tummy control. My only like major issue is that the tummy control, I just have a really long torso, so that kind of is like my torso. If I lift my boobs, my torso starts from here to here. So I have a rather long torso. So the tummy control stops like in the middle for me. Like this is still my stomach down here. So the part that I really need for you to control, it's not reaching. So that's my only issue, but it's fine because the reason it's like that is because of this detailing. It has like these line details on the side, which I think is really cute. It has freaking pockets. I know how we feel about things with pockets. Okay, it has 2 pockets, and I absolutely love this. It's so soft. It kind of feels like the softness of a Lululemon legging. It doesn't really have like the compression of some of the Lululemon leggings, but it has the softness. They're actually kind of long. I love this. I think it comes in 4 of the colors. I think it comes in green, gray, something else. Them all. I want them all. Imagine me with my matcha on my way to Pilates. Like, tell me this is not a fit. I love this. Again, I want it in every single color. Okay, but I will have all this stuff linked in my storefront. This was a really good haul. I only got like 4 or 5 pieces, but each one was really good. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, make sure you go ahead and follow me. If you're not following me, Let's fix that. And I will see you guys in the next video.